Hi, Kenneth.
Hello po. Good
First of all,
morning.
congratulations on Mr. Philippines Worldwide and Clever Partnership. So, as a representative from FW, what are your expectations on this partnership or collaboration?
For this partnership, I'm expecting that this partnership with Clever will be a great help for the candidate next year. I know, sayang hindi kami naabutan ng Clever, but I know that this is going to help them because this will mold them as an individual, not just as a candidate. So this will not just help them during the competition, but also in the future. Hopefully, sana successful yung partnership and relationship namin together with Clever.
Sayang, no, kung inabot, ito sana, di ba?
Sana, malaking opportunities yan and malaking tulong yan sa amin sa candidate.
How do you feel na you are part now of Mr. Philippines Worldwide?
To be honest, I'm so happy because I finally found my, di naman career, but I'm going to fulfill my passion. Not just a candidate in pageantry, but I want to really help pageantry. Ako po talaga yung nag-volunteer to join this organization dahil gusto ko po talaga tumulong na improve yung male pageantry here sa Pilipinas. And I want to put my knowledge, my experience, and to share my journey during my competition and during my pageant journey here in Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. And sa lahat ng na-experience ko, I want to um, give forward sa other candidate, sa other future candidate. And I'm very willing to help this organization because malaki ng tulong nila, not just as a candidate, but sa buhay ko talaga. They help me improve as an individual, and I want to give back what they have given to me.
Aside from being a pageant king, you are now considered as a mentor as well. Mentor ka na.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So since, ano ba, ano ba yung gusto mo ma-impart sa mga next Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide candidates?
For the next Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide candidate, gusto kong mas mag-improve pa sila and not just as a whole personal development talaga. And I want to really help Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide with that kasi gusto ko na hindi lang nila matutunan more about pageantry but more on sa personal na buhay nila. And kaya very helpful yung partnership namin with Clever kasi will be a great help for them.
You have mentioned this could be your last pageant na. So, ano yung gusto mong i-share sa mga candidates all
Yes.
about your journey?
Yes, sinabi ko naman last time na this will be my last pageant na magkukumpit ako. And I'm like fulfilled na ako sa mga nagawa ko sa pageantry. And ito yung mga bagay na gusto kong like ibigay to help them. Most especially yung sa mga candidates na hindi lang mananalo but sa lahat ng candidate na sasali. I want to give them the learnings, the lessons I have learned during my competition, and I want to really help them improve as a person. Yun, ma'am.
So, kaya pala nag-stop ka na is because you're planning to serve na.
Yes,
So, our
kaya
aspiring teenage queen.
yeah,
So,
that's the reason po na nag-stop na ako sa pageantry kasi I think tama na din yung mga fulfilled ako sa mga nagawa ko and malaking bagay din yung pageantry sa buhay ko kaya nandito ako ngayon para tumulong and give back sa pageantry.
So, isi-share mo na lang yung knowledge,
Yes,
experience,
yes po.
tips, magbibigay ka ng tips, ideas,
Yes.
ganyan.
Lalo na sa sa Mr. Supranational, that organization gives a lot of lesson sa buhay ko and gusto ko ring makuha natin yung first ever crown natin sa Mr. Supranational. So I'm here to help kung sino man mananalo next year. I'm willing to extend my help. Wala pong bayad, buong buo ko pong itutulong yung mga bagay na natutunan ko doon. Gusto kong ibigay sa kanya para mas malaki yung chance na makuha natin yung crowns. Not just sa Miss Supranational but sa other titles ng Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide.
Kenneth, aside from pageantry, if given a chance or given the opportunity na may mag-offer sa'yo like sa show business, are you willing ba to accept?
Yes naman po. Di ko siya goal, but I'm very open for opportunities.
You're not closing
And
any
yeah, no, not closing any doors. I'm here to try everything na mag-o-open sa akin. If that's for me, that's for me. Yun lang naman yung parang ano ko sa sarili ko. So, try lang ng try. Kung anong ibibigay, then go. Let's go for it. I know, di naman ako pababayaan ni Lord. He's always been there all the time. And I know na lahat ng decisions ko, I pray na He will guide me and that's the path that He wants me to
Hindi ka niya
be.
pababayaan kasi you're so super bait.
Yes, salamat naman. Salamat.
Okay, and despite of having hectic schedule, how do you find yourself like anong ginagawa mo like for free time?
During my free time po, right now, since dami ko pong ganap and dami po tayong ginagawa, mostly I'm so happy kasi naka-travel. Maraming this month or last month, this November, dami po natin napuntahan. But pag may mga leisure time po ako, ginigugol ko lang yun sa pag-gym to maintain my physical fitness and also ito yung nakakabigay sa akin ng saya and sigla.
It's part of your happy feel.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, so message na lang sa mga fans and supporters.
To my fans and supporters and also to fans of Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide, abangan nyo guys kasi mas hindi na sobrang successful next year and we're going to do our best to top it and to improve it more for next year and sana para marami kayong aabangan and maraming surprise kaming ibibigay sa inyo lahat.
Mas pasabog.
Yes, mas maraming pasabog and ayun pa lang nga, madami nang gustong mag-apply, wala pang ano, but hopefully next year this is going to be a more successful one para sa inyo lahat.
To follow your footsteps. Kaya lalo lang gusto mag-apply.
Oh, salamat naman, but I hope na magawa namin yung mga nagawa nila last year which is very successful and gagalangan pa namin for next year.
And we're looking forward for that.
Yes. Let's go guys. And I hopefully
More pasabog, FW.
hopefully andyan pa rin kayo. Same faces lang makikita namin. Hopefully susuportahan nyo kami para maging more successful. Yeah, thank you so much din kasi kung wala kayo, wala din yung Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. And wala kami.
Can I just say that you are so blooming right now?
Ay! Hindi naman. Ano lang po, maging happy lang always. Happiness from within.
Where are you going to spend your holiday?
Sa ngayon po, ang plano ko is umuwi sa ano kasi every holiday naman I spend it with my family sa hometown ko sa Dumaguete. Yeah, pwede naman. Ano lang doon, sobrang chill and miss ko na din yung family ko. Kaya ngayon, hopefully, makauwi tayo this Christmas and New Year.
See you again.
See you again. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you
We're
so
very
much.
proud of you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Ingat.